Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the background of your lock screen in Windows 11. Whether you prefer a personal photo, a slideshow, or the dynamic Windows Spotlight feature, first, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, select Personalization on the left side of the screen. Then, from the list of options, click on Lock Screen. Next to the section labeled Personalize Your Lock Screen, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose between Picture, Slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. If you select Picture, you can browse your computer and choose a specific image as your background. If you choose Slideshow, you can select a folder containing multiple images that will rotate automatically. And if you prefer Windows Spotlight, Windows will display a variety of beautiful, regularly updated images from Microsoft. Finally, once you've made your choice, simply close the Settings window. Your new lock screen background will take effect immediately the next time you lock your PC or restart it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.